in today's video, we are diving in something very, very serious and important, right? So if you have not been using timestamp or chapters on your description box for your video, guys, you are missing out, because with this timestamp or chapters, it helps to increase your video SEO, that is search engine optimization. So these timestamps or chapters actually help your video to be discovered on Google or any other external site, that is search engine, right? Because let's assume you actually make a video on how to go viral on YouTube, right? Because you want to include vidIQ, you want to include TubeBuddy, you want to include Morning Fame, all those site or app like that, right? So when you make a video, do you know that if you segment this video to their chapters by chapters, like to the part that it actually belongs to, do you know that it can actually help someone when someone actually go to Google to search for TubeBuddy, your video is going to pop up. Not like that's what you use for your title. Your video is going to pop up based on the segment, that particular segment that you talk about vidIQ that you imputed in your video. Oh my God, guys, I don't actually know if I'm making sense here. Like, I don't, please, if you're understanding what I'm saying, please just type I understand you in the comment section, right? One of my video that I actually use timestamp or chapter, and let me show you how this stuff actually work, and how it actually help you to like increase your video SEO, right? So let me just head over to my YouTube app, and all right, let's click on my profile picture here, and let's click on view channel, and let's just give it a little time for it to actually come up. And when it has come up, let's go to one of my video that I actually uploaded today, and let's check out those video, guys. So I'm just going to click on those video. So when I click on that video, I'm not actually going to play it, but I just want to show you guys something, right? So when you actually come here, all right, so when you actually come to my YouTube description, when you come to my description, you are going to see timestamp. You can see I segment this video to the part that actually belongs to 0.00 is intro, or 1.22 is YouTube Studio. So if actually someone go to browser and type YouTube Studio in Google, this my video will actually pop up. Why? Because of this segment, like because of this part that I segmented talking about YouTube Studio, right? So if I click on those 3.3, you will see that this video has jumped to this very particular aspect. So if I play this video now, you see that this is a part I was actually talking about YouTube Studio, right? So vidIQ. Then if I click on this 8.12, you see that this video has jumped to the part I actually talk about Meta AI. If I click on 8:30, you see that this video has actually, I don't know, please just be looking at this thing, right? So that is the use for. If I click on 0.0, you see that this video will come to the beginning, right? If I click on 1.22, you actually see that this video will now come to the part that I was actually talking about YouTube Studio. If I click on 3.33, 3.33, it take me to the part I was actually talking about on vidIQ. 6.34, I was actually talking about binge or Snapchat. All right, so without wasting much time, I'm just head over to the other side of my screen. Let me show you how you can actually create a timestamp for your YouTube video, right? You can actually do this in the video you've already uploaded, but before you actually create your timestamp, make sure when you are watching that video, maybe while you are editing the video, when you are watching the video, make sure you know those parts that you can segment the video, right? Your intro first, your chapter one, you can use your own chapter one, chapter two, chapter, but it's actually very nice for you to just segment it. Intro, or if you are talking about YouTube growth, use 1.2022 YouTube growth, not like chapter one, so that if I come to your channel, if I don't actually want to watch your video to the very end, I'll know the part I actually want to specialize in watching. Then I'll just head straight to that part and watch it and zoom out, instead of making somebody to just come and click on your video and click off immediately. So I'm going to take you to the other side of my screen, which I'm going to show you that. Just type studio.youtube.com. I've clicked on that, so let's come to where my video is. All right, so when you come here, you can see this video here. All right, I unlisted this video, it's not yet live. All right, so I'll just click on here. So now I click there to now bring me to this very particular aspect. So you now choose any part that you want to add to your timestamp. You can actually type here time stamps. Okay, then I will now type, I've already watched the video, right? So for you to do this, you actually need to like watch that very video. When you watch the video, you now know which one is your intro, when your intro stopped, when your chapter one actually started. So I actually did that, and I wrote it down on my scripted notes, right? On the book I do use to script my video. So you actually need to do that so that it will be very, very easy for you. So I will now say 0.00. I will now say, sorry guys, I will now type here intro, come down, I will now say 1.022. That's where my chapter 1 actually started. I will now talk about what that stuff is all about, YouTube Studio. All right, so I will now come down, type another segment, 3.33.
8.33. I'll now come down, type what that part is actually all about, right? So I'll type it here. Sorry guys, I'll come here to this very aspect, type it another segment, and now say meta AI, come here, then 8.30 is actually my outro. I'll just come here and type outro. Now do just that. So the moment you just do like this, all right, so that's just that for that. So when after doing that, I'll just come here and click on save and save the video.
So guys, now you know how to create your own chapters, your timestamp for your video. You can actually do this in your uploaded video, like the video you've already uploaded before by going to your YouTube studio to edit the video and put in the timestamp. Or you can actually do this in the video you actually want to upload. So give this video a thumbs up, like, share, comment, subscribe to my channel, share this video to get as many persons, and let me know in the comment section if it was smooth doing it. And if you actually find this video helpful, please subscribe. Yeah. Bye guys, and I'm going to see you in my next video.